So who is Ziggy? Well, let me tell you. Ziggy is a nice caring dog. Wait, not this dog. I can't find a pic on him, but Ziggy is a cute dog and he loves to play and he is super dumb. This dog, but you still watch the vid, so yay, ha 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 ha. Look at the guy, he is so creepy. He told me to sub and like, so please do that and I will see you next time. Bye.